thesis project was for Barilla and more precisely on Pesto Barilla.
We needed to transform Pesto alla Genovese Barilla into a food icon in Italy. This was very challenging because we needed to create a resonance among millennials, which the brand didn't have before.
Our concept revolves around a real and existing need of Italian millennials, which is to have always something quick and ready to prepare at home.
So we decided to look into the habits of millennials, and we realised they lead really hectic lives, and we wanted to show the benefits of Pesto Barilla and how it can fit into their lifestyles with a concept of basta scuse, which means no excuses.
In order to do so, we thought of a creative idea and a creative concept of sort of rejuvenating this brand but still keeping its core values. Presenting a project to such an important company as Barilla has been an incredible challenge, but at the same time it motivated us to give our best.
What I didn't expect from this Masters was the full immersion that we'd actually have with the projects that we've completed. So we've worked on everything from the research to the strategy to changing the design, and this was something that I really didn't think that we would engage in.
I chose to be a brand manager because since the first year of my university, that was very theoretical, I started studying about brands in general and the sociology around it, and I fell in love with how humane actually brands are.
So I chose to go into brand management because it was something I'd briefly learnt about when I was working in London, but I didn't know too much about it. And I wanted to be able to understand it from all aspects and then be able to develop a brand strategy and really understand fully how it all works.
I worked in art direction for a year, and I realized that the world of brands is what interests me, but I realized that I also have a strategic input to give. I came to Masterbrand to learn this input, how to give it, and I realized that brand management is what I want to do.
Having completed this Masters, I feel much more ready for the job market. Before I wasn't sure what direction I wanted to take, and now I feel like I've learned a lot more about the branding landscape to be able to understand companies and the roles better, and hopefully find a job afterwards.
Yes, I do feel ready for the job market, probably because of this adrenaline and enthusiasm we had and gained these last months.
I feel ready both through the skill set that Masterbrand has given me, but also through the contacts and the connections that it provided.
So to the next students of IED, I would recommend to sleep now that you can.
If you want an advice, enjoy from day one. Discover the city, make friends, and find out what you can give to others and what they can give to you.
It's really worth it if you're willing to work hard, but you have to work hard.